Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. I was trying a rope braid today, but it kind of all undid itself. So forgive my crazy hair, it's doing its own thing today. I finally got my Ipsys today. I have been waiting and waiting, and my final Ipsy, just the regular Ipsy, finally came today. It was shipped 2 weeks ago, so it's taken a really long time. We're gonna start with Ipsy, and then I have my Glam Bag and my Glam Bag Ultimate, and then I also have Addons, which I will talk about at the end. So in all three of my bags, I threw out the cards already, as I threw out the packaging because there was no information on the cards whatsoever. So yeah, not very helpful. The first thing I'm pulling out of here is a pure Brazilian with keratin, acai, argan oil, and cocoa butter. It is a daily anti-frizz serum. I kind of thought this would be a spray bottle, but it is not. It's a pour out bottle, so that will be interesting. This is the thing I chose. This is the First Aid Beauty Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask. I've had such good luck with Arnica in the past. It's something as a dancer I've used. I've taken you can take little supplements of it. It's a really good thing to help you heal, so I thought it must be good for your face. Then the next thing I got was this Yensa BC concealer. It's a BB and CC full coverage concealer. Let's see what it looks like. I got the shade, which shade did I get? Fair Cool. Man, it does not want to come out. There we go, finally. Oh, and now it's all over my hands. Go figure. So that's what it looks like. That's very light. A lot of coverage as well. So we'll see how that performs on the skin. I've really liked the primer that I got from them in the past. I used up the one I got in my Ipsy and I purchased a separate one, but that's what it looks like. So pretty big difference there. All right, next in here is an H2O gloss from Tarte. Now I'm going to leave this unopened because I don't wear very many glosses. I'm trying to cut down my gloss collection as it is. And this formula, while it was okay, I felt like it sunk into my lines a lot of my lips. So I'm gonna pass this along to somebody who I think will probably get more use out of it. So that was this bag. And then my last item in here is from Sundays. This is a nail polish. And this is the shade. Oh, that's a pretty shade. It's kind of a pale pink, but has a little punch to it. What shade is this? Number 8, is that the color? Anyway, that's the last one. So for $12, normally I did purchase a year, so I have, they're $10 I locked in. Do I think this was worth $10? I think so. Concealer will be kind of nice to try out and play with. The mask I'm really excited about. A full-size nail polish in a pretty color is nice. Lip gloss is the one thing I won't be using. That will be passed along. And this, I really liked what I've gotten from Pure Brazilian in the past. I just wish it had a little sprayer on it instead of, because these are not always the easiest to get product out of. But pretty good, I feel, for the Ipsy regular bag. Moving on to Ipsy Plus. I tried to stick them all in here. They didn't all work because this was the first item. This was my choice. I did choice on 2 of my bags. I didn't choose for ultimate. So this is the Sugar Rush brush set. And it does have the cute little paper. Tarte always does a really nice job with packaging. And you get 3 brushes in here that look like pencils. Ooh. So our first one is a blush, it's a fluffy brush. Kind of flat a little bit. Interesting shape that says Goal Getter. This is Write Your Story, which is more of a packing brush, but it's a pretty good size. I don't like the really small packing brushes. I've gotten some of those in the past and I just don't really use those. And then Stay Sharp. I'm not really sure what you would use this brush for. I need to up my brush game, that's for sure, especially for eye makeup. But those are the first things. I did write down all of the prices. So this retails for $19 for the brushes. The next thing I got in here is a mascara. Even though I'm opted out, this is 3 out of 4 boxes, I think, that I've gotten a mascara in. So I'm really thinking about you know, canceling my Plus subscription. It's Beauty for Real, which is not the best brand in my opinion, but this mascara retails for $19. I'll use it eventually. It's gonna go in my mascara drawer. We'll see what happens. Oh, the bags, I forgot to show you the bag. So this has little gold things in it and it has the cute little tassel. I was really disappointed today when I got this bag and I found out that the lining is not the same, and I have this little tassel. It doesn't have the little fun tassels like the other two. I wonder if they ran out of bags, because I know they did that last month and they changed the design, which is not really cool. Next thing in here is from Masky. It is an after mask vitamin serum, which is kind of cool. This thing retails for $52.88, which I think is ridiculous because this is a 1 ounce and it's like such cheap packaging and everything. And I don't know why it says it's an after mask vitamin serum, because it says to wash your face and then to put the serum on. Anyway, it's okay, but I would have rather had Kate Somerville or Sunday Riley, since those were the other choices that a lot of people got. Next up is from Tarte. This is a lip paint in the shade Choker. I do have several of these. This is the more moussey formula, I believe. I'm not going to open it because this is brown. I will never wear this color. I don't like browns on me. The 90s look was not attractive and I don't want to go back to it. So that one's getting passed along as well because it's just not my style. That retails for $20. And then the final thing I got is from Colored Raine. This is a palette called Mimosa Moment. And I'm pretty sure these are, yeah, so this is made by Ipsy for Colored Raine. So it's not even really a Colored Raine product. That's the one thing I've been kind of irritated with Ipsy lately, is that they do that. That's what it looks like. It's a pretty eyeshadow palette, has some very usable colors, really, you know, neutral palette. We'll swatch 4 of them. We're gonna swatch over the concealer because I didn't clean off the concealer. It was actually swatched pretty good. This is supposed to retail for $22. Would I pay $22 for this? Probably not. I like Colored Raine, but I don't think it's as spectacular as some other brands that are comparable. So for $25, do I feel like this was worth it? I don't. The only thing that I probably would have purchased in real life is the brushes. I like those, but they were $19. This is okay, but this, like, I don't know, it doesn't feel luxe at all. Like, it feels pretty chintzy and cheap. That's just my opinion. Mask serum is okay. Lip paint definitely won't be using. Mascara, I'm opted out. I'm really sick of Ipsy sending me things that I'm opted out of. It's ridiculous and it shouldn't be happening. I know that there's a pandemic going on. Like, I get that, but they also have been doing this long before the pandemic hit. My February bag had stuff in it. My March bag, my April bag, like every month I'm getting stuff that I am opted out of. And when I'm spending $75 on the 2 bags, they should honor that opt out and not just say, oh, well, you'll get it less frequently. Well, I never get it in my other bags, and it's a separate account. Why? All right, this is the next thing. My hair is looking funky. I'm sorry, guys. The Ipsy Plus, Ultimate, sorry. I did put all of the things in here and took them out of the packaging just so they would all fit in here. Oh, the bag. I think the bag is really nice. I like this material. I like the little tassel. It does have the same type of material inside, so it's really nice. This first thing is from St. Tropica. This is a Beach Goddess hot oil hair mask, and weird. this is like a hot oil treatment, but it's huge. Like there's so much of it. So you just heat it in for 30 seconds in the microwave, and then, yeah. Okay, so you leave it on for 20 minutes, okay, or overnight. Yeah, I don't do masks because of that. So that one I will be passing along just because I don't have the patience to do that type of a mask for my hair. Oh, and that retails for, that's a full size, where is it? $17.50, so not too bad, but I think the Alberto VO5 was a little easier to deal with. Pure Heals, this is a pore clear black charcoal peel off mask. I have so many peel off masks. I know they're not supposed to be that great for your skin. I just need to start using them to get rid of them because I have so many of them right now. So this is not something I would be super excited to get in the first place, but what can you do? This is $26 for a full size. That seems a lot. I don't know. I feel like peel off masks are not that expensive, but maybe that's just because I started out with the ones from Freeman. All right, next up is the Beautiful Factor Water Jam Cleansing Gel Balm. Now this is interesting. When I read it, it's like a cleansing balm. So you actually put it on with your makeup and it dissolves all of that. You can use it in the morning too, it says. So I thought that was kind of an interesting like hybrid. I've never heard of it like that before. This retails for $18. I am excited to try this. That's something I definitely will get some use out of. Then we have Derma Medicine Weightless Face Moisturizer SPF 25, which is good because it's the summer, so you can always use that. $60 for a 2 ounce, so a fairly good size for that. Then this is the next thing. This is the thing I was most excited about. And then I saw the size and I was like, what the heck? This is so small. This is the full size Sunday Riley CEO cleanser. This is 3.4 ounces and it retails for like, how much does it retail for? $38. I get a Josie Maran that's 6 ounces and it's $32. I almost got this instead of the Josie Maran at the Sephora sale. I'm really glad I did it because holy cow, this is small. I have gotten this in the past, like smaller versions of it, and I've really liked it. I think it's a good oil cleanser, but dang, is it expensive. Then I got from Murad, this is the Renewing Eye Cream. This retails for, this is quite expensive, I know that, $82. I love Murad. I'm excited anytime that I get some Murad products, so happy to have that. Then we have this little palette from Laura Geller. This is Central Park Face, Eye, and Cheek palette. This retails for $14. So this is pretty small. I have to say, I really wanted the Dominique Cosmetics palette that they were teasing, and I don't know who actually got it. I'm pretty jealous of them, I have to say, but that's what it looks like. I do think this one's cute. I wasn't going to be unhappy to get it, but it's not really, you know, exciting or anything. I think it's a good, you know, everyday palette. So that's supposed to be the blush, and then we got 3 of the eyeshadows. Pretty nice. They're really soft, which is nice. I like softer eyeshadows. I don't like them when they're grainy or anything like that. So got that. Then we got from Sugar Rush, this is in the shade Cupcake. This is a velvet liquid lipstick, and I'm unsure about this because people, like, I looked at the color, I looked at what it showed on Ipsy, and it didn't look good, but people said it's more mauvey in person. So I'm going to swatch it. Let's see, I want to tell you how much it is. This retails for $15. We're going to swatch it. We're going to hope, oh, it doesn't look good. Yeah, it's kind of the color that looks okay, but I don't really love on me. Shoot. Well, if I don't like it, it will be passed along to a friend who doesn't care that I swatched it. So yeah, there's that. Then my last full size is from Sundays. This is another nail polish. This retails, oh, The nail polish retails for, oh, $18, that's where it is. So that's the last one. This is number 6. This is not a shade that I really like, so that will be going in a giveaway pile as well. It's just not really something that I would tend to wear on my hands, so I will be passing that one along as well. All right, now we're on to samples. I only got 3 samples in my bag this month, so I'm not sure. Usually it's supposed to be 8 and 4, but who knows. This is She Was an Anomaly at Libre d'Orange, and it's a good size sample. Like, this is not your typical Sephora size sample. Let's give it a little spritz, see what it smells like. Oh, it has a nice citrusy scent to it. Yeah, I do like that. That's going to be nice to use. Last 2 items are from Ciate London. This is a Watermelon Burst Hydrating Lip Oil, which I definitely will use. I'm really hoping it smells like watermelon. I think it does. It's kind of hard to tell when they're still in the packaging. And then this is Invigorating Hand and Body Lotion. I don't know what brand this is from. And it's sealed, so I'm going to leave it sealed right like that. Now we're moving on. Oh, wait. Value. Let's talk value. Do I think this was worth $50? This one, I do. I think the Ultimate was really good. I got some good skincare. I got a very little amount of makeup. It did help that I think it helped that I got the 9 full size instead of the 8. That just added to the value a little bit. When I added it all up, it was worth $288.50, and my plus was worth $132.88. But I feel like I'm going to get more use out of this. 2 cleansers, definitely will use the cleansers. Definitely will use the moisturizer and the eye cream and the palette and the perfume. Not so excited about the hair oil, but that one, you know, 1 item out of 12 is fine to me to pass along. All right, I put my add-ons in here. I did quite a few add-ons. The first one I got was actually a redeem my points because they were expiring and I lost points in April. I was really bummed. So I picked up the Cella Creme de la Creme, the very best cream. And then I picked up the Wake Up Call Overnight Regenerative Facial Treatment from Gold Fad and MD. I've really liked what I've tried from them, so I felt like that would be nice. Then I picked up the One Kind Nighttime Moisturizer with squalene and rosehip oil. These were all $3. Then the last 2 $3 ones I picked up were I'm Honey Deep Moisture Rescue Mask, and then the Tarte Jelly Glaze Anytime Lip Mask, which is super tiny. I mean, there's the size difference. It's 0.1 ounce, very small. And my final 2 things that I picked up were from Kate Somerville. These were both $18 add-ons, and since they're like $90 normally, I thought, you know what, I'm going to try them. This first one is the Recall Warrior Hydration Gel, a moisturizer. Not that I need any more moisturizers, but I do like moisturizer gels. And then I picked up this. This is the KX Active Concentrates, Ceramides and Omegas. It's a Smooth Restore. Smooth and Restore. That's in a different language underneath it. And that's what it looks like. So quite a bit of skincare. Overall, I think it was pretty good. Yeah, lots of different things. Plus is the one that I'm thinking is on the chopping block. So let me know your thoughts and opinions on these bags down below. What did you get in your Ipsy bags? I'm always curious. Those are some of my favorite videos to watch here on YouTube, kind of seeing what other people are getting. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.